tons of really fun, quirky things like this stuff mixed in with antiques. So you'll find everything from fun, funky things to quirky things to unusual things to very expensive things. My name is Amanda Gates and I am an interior designer and feng shui practitioner. I help people create designs that are energy aligned. If you don't trust the vibe and get that energy right, there's no amount of pretty that's going to fix that. And that's where I come in. I'm an expert in interior design and I'm an expert at energy. And what I can do is come in and align your space to get the energy right so it elevates the pretty. It elevates the interior design so that you get it right every time. Are you ready? Let's do this. Hey everyone, Amanda here. I'm so excited. Today is officially the Antiques and Garden Show of Nashville. I have my tickets right here, and this is one of the premier events that takes place in Nashville every year in the first weekend of February. This is where some of the high-end, the best high-end vendors come out to showcase their best products and their best antiques, along with some really great vintage vendors as well. So I'm so excited that this year I get to take you along with me so that I can share with you all of the amazing things that unfold and all of the amazing things that I get to see. Are you ready? Let's get started. So we are officially here at the Antiques and Garden Show, so I'm going to take you on a tour on all the amazing vendors and all the things that unfold at this amazing show. So I'm right about at the halfway point. I've walked about half of the show. I'm seeing tons of really great antiques and rugs and really cool vintage finds. I'm gonna see what else is in here, see what else the other vendors are showing off and what their options are, and then we'll do a wrap up. How cool is this structure behind me? This is what the Antiques and Garden Show is all about. What's so great about the show is how well they mix antiques with vintage finds. I'm trying to decide if I want to go to this really cool garden shop that has like all these spinners and stuff, which are really good for feng shui. If you're trying to stir up an area of your property, they're really good feng shui. But I have really small lot, so I'm trying to decide if I can fit these big ass spinners on one of the small postage stamp size areas in my yard. The really cool things about the show is that they always build these really incredible, cool landscape sculptures inside with water, which is amazing to me that they can do this inside. Check this out. I love the fact that the show, Ed Nash, who's a local Nashville artist, has actually combined his artwork with all of these really high-end antiques. His work is really contemporary, but it blends beautifully with all of these amazing pieces. And I love the juxtaposition of contemporary art with an antique. The show is always filled with imagination and wonderment. So all in all, we are wrapping up. I have now walked throughout the entire show. Amazing antiques, amazing garden displays, tons of really great vintage finds. If you've never been to the Antiques and Garden Show, I highly encourage you to come. It's been a great show, and as usual, it didn't disappoint. And that's a wrap. Nashville Antiques and Garden Show 2018. Thanks, y'all.